Okay, so nakapagpalit na tayo. And here's the fit. Yan. So, I got this from Pull and Bear tsaka Missy. And yeah, after nito, pupunta na tayo, kukain na tayo kasi kanina pa ako nagugutom. Actually, wala pa rin hindi pa rin ako nakakapag-check-in. Dito lang ako nagpalit, like literally dito lang. And now we are going to Sunnyside Cafe, yung trending dito sa Boracay na sobrang ganda ng view. And talaga namang maganda yung view kasi napuntahan ko na kanina. And yeah, samahan nyo akong kumain right now. Let's go! Okay, so andito na tayo sa Sunnyside Cafe. At sobrang init, like legit. Ito yung Sunnyside Cafe. Yan. So we're gonna eat there and it's a brunch na. So tara, let's go. Okay, so we're here now at Sunnyside Cafe and luckily we have this spot. Actually, front view siya ng beach. So, ang galing na na-reserve natin itong spot na to. And we're going to eat. I ordered chorizo and egg with java rice and also a mango shake. So, ang accommodating ng mga staff dito. That's why I get this spot just for me all alone. So yeah, let's eat. And this is how we start the day. Let's go. Diba ganyan? Let's Okay, so welcome to Boracay. Ito na siya. So ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang kagandaan ng Boracay from a Cebuyanan view. So finally, I'm here. It took me 27 years to come here and now we're here to this beautiful island. Actually, kalapit isla lang siya ng Romblon. Kaya talagang, alam mo yun, white sand din dito. At alam mo, kaya niya, actually, siya yung mother before El Nido tsaka Siargao. Siya talaga panalo. Sobrang pino talaga ng buhangin. Totoo. Tapos yung mga trees, they're so aesthetic, guys. They have so many aesthetic spots here. So, sad lang kasi ako lang mag-isa. No one's gonna take a picture of me. Just me, myself, and I. So, I guess, enjoy this vlog. Let's go. Okay, so we're now here at the mall and we're trying Coco Mama. Nahanap natin siya, hindi ko siya mahanap. Malawak pala tong Boracay, unlike El Nido na isang place lang. So, yeah, finding Coco Mama. Okay, so we have our Mama Coco. Coco Mama. So now, yeah, let's find a spot na pwede natin kainin to. Let's go. Okay, so let's eat our Coco Mama. Ang ganda niya. Like, this is your life. The beach, eating ice cream with mango, and may talagang may kon siya, may coconut. Mm. This is life, bro. This is how you live your life. So nice. It's like halo. Okay, so we are here now at Season Cafe. Yung trending dahil nga yung view niya is overlooking beachfront na may coconut trees. So we're here now and we ordered Spanish latte. This big. Sana maubos ko to. And yeah, the place is so aesthetic. That's kinda all I can say. So we're gonna be here for about an hour. Tawag dito, pahapunin lang natin para kahit papaano ay hindi na mainit pag lumabas tayo. So yeah, let's come with me to ubos this one because it's too big. Let's go. Okay, so you're probably wondering but sabi ko last flight ko na to because I'm resigning and of course if you were asking why I am resigning from my job na okay naman siya, may free flight siya, goods naman yung sahod, goods yung mga katrabaho, and of course yung titlement na Cebu Pacific siya sa airline, di ba? The basic answer is for 2 years na nag-work ako doon, I had a great time with the company, with the job, and with the benefits na nakuha ko. It's just that I'm not happy. I'm not that very happy doing the job. I'm not that happy living in the same routine that I always do every day. And of course, you know me, I vlog talaga ever since pa, and that's what I'm doing ever since I got into the job. And I realized na we just live here on earth, not permanently, just temporary. And na-realize ko na yung 2 years na yon, of course that was a great experience to take and of course to apply on the future plans. For me lang, I want to live every moment of my life. I want to live to enjoy and to find happiness in everything that I do. And of course in vlogging, kung saan ako mas magaling, kung saan ako mas masaya, yun yung ipupurso ko this time. And that's why I'm resigning from my job and I'm vlogging again because ito ang mas masaya sa ako. Ito yung sabi nga nila, kung saan ka mas magaling at kung saan ka mas masaya, doon ka, kasi yun talaga yung para sa'yo. And now nagbabalik loob ako sa vlogging and I hope you support me again doing this kind of thing. And yeah, it was a great time working with a company, with Cebu Pacific, and thank you for all the memories that I had, all the friends that I had. and to all the things that I learned for the 2 years working there, how to live in Manila Rat Life City. So yeah, you will be watching this kind of vlogs again. So I'm finally back. I'm officially back. So let's start. Okay, so we find the spot. Dito ngayon tayo sa Station 3 para abangan ang sunset. At luckily we find the spot. So this is all my spot. And yeah, I'm waiting for the sunset. Dito tayo tatambay. And after ng sunset, doon na tayo maliligo. Kasi wala pa tayong picture. Hindi pwede mabasa hanggat wala pa tayong picture na maayos. Okay? So yeah, ito lang yung vibe dito, music, and then may mga naglalaro, may nagsiswimming, may mga bata. Ang daming tao actually. For an introvert like me, it's gonna be a lot, but I know how to adjust. So yeah, come with me and watch the sunset all by myself. Let's go. Okay, so malapit na mag-sunset. Ayan. And we're here at the beach na banda para after na maliligo na tayo sa dagat. I wanna ligo sa dagat. Kanina ko pa gustong maligo pero yeah. Okay, so yeah. Come with me to watch the sunset and maligo sa dagat. Let's go. Okay, so naglakad-lakad lang tayo at andito tayo sa Station 1 para mag-take ng picture kasi dito yung mas maraming coconut trees tsaka mas clear yung water. And yeah, let's roam around and after this we'll go for a swim na. Like, going to swim now. Let's go. Okay, so we found the spot here in Station 1 at wala siyang lumot. So, dito tayo magsiswim. Let's go. Sa linaw ng tubig niya. Like, so cool. Kasing linaw niya yung Crista de Gallo namin. Pero syempre siya yung mother of all beaches sa Philippines, diba? Sobrang linaw niya, look! Makalook naman to. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna be here for a bit. Nakakalungkot lang na mamayang alas 12 na yung flight ko. Pero, what if mamayang hapon na ako umuwi? Or what if bukas na ako umuwi? Parang may budget pa siya. So ayun, yeah, let's go for a swim, let's go! Okay, so pabalik na tayo sa ating accommodation and yeah, we're done with our swimming sesh. And after this, you know, we're going back home, back to Manila. And we're taking the 12 AM flight. Ngayon, magpe-prepare ako kasi nga dapat 1 hour or 2 hours ahead ka kasi magbo-boat ka pa and such. So yeah, let's go. So I guess this is the end of our vlog here in Boracay Island. And yeah, thank you for watching this video and hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on our another travel trip in the island. Let's go!